Hey everybody, it's Brandon Webb, your reverse mortgage loan officer with USAReverseMortgages.net, brought to you by iReverse Home Loans. Today I want to do a really quick industry update. There's been a lot of chatter from FHA about new proposals that they want to put in place that would cap the adjustable rates for the lifetime and annually. Change those caps rather. So currently, if you have an adjustable rate reverse, there is a cap 5 and a cap 10. Those names are in reference to how far above the start rate they can get capped out at over the life of the loan. So for instance, if you have a 3% starting interest rate and you have a cap 5 loan, that means that your rate caps out at 8%. Or if you have a cap 10, it's 13%. A little over a year ago, the cap 5 really came into play and everyone started becoming really interested in it. Now, the cap 10 is still offered, but FHA is talking about doing away with it because the cap 10 really doesn't do any good for the borrower. All it does is just give them a higher interest rate, and for the loan officer, it might make him a little extra coin. I don't know any loan officers still selling that loan, even though it is technically available. It's a real disservice to their client, so FHA is talking about doing away with that. That's obviously a great thing. The other cap they're talking about is the annual cap. So those lifetime caps, that's the highest the rate can ever go. But there's also an annual cap, meaning that it can't go higher than a certain amount each year. The annual adjusting reverse mortgage does adjust annually. There is a monthly, but almost nobody offers that anymore. People are liking the annual because it only does adjust annually. So the annual cap right now is 2%. So let's say you have a cap 5. That means that if you have a 3% rate, it can never go above 8 over the life of the loan. But it can't go above 2% of the start rate annually. Okay, so it can climb rather by 2% each year. That's the maximum. If they're going to. I mean, they do follow rates. They're not always going to go up. Sometimes they go down. But it could go up 2%. They're talking about capping that at 1%. Now, obviously, to you and I, that sounds like a great thing. Investors really don't like that. Now, I know what we're thinking. Who cares? Who cares what investors think? You know, I know me as a borrower, I'm like, well, I want what's best for me. But for the future of the program, we do need to care about investors. Investors are something that keep the program moving and driving and striving ahead. If investors don't like something and start pulling out, a lot of things can happen. Rates can go up. Fees can go up. Lenders have to compensate somehow. Okay, so we should really care about investor appetite in the product. And from what I'm reading and what we're seeing in the industry, investors are saying that it's a non-starter for them if it goes from 2% to 1% on the annual. Everyone is pretty much in agreement about the lifetime cap, but the annual may be an issue for them. Now, again, these are proposals. None of them have been put in place, but they have been pushed out into the universe by FHA as an idea of something they'd like to do. So we'll have to see what happens going forward. As always, if you have any questions about this or anything else that we talk about, reverse mortgages in general, whatever, please feel free to give me a call at 800-598-6265. That's 1-800-598-6265. Or you can also obviously message me on the website and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I look forward to helping you and I look forward to speaking with you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.